Hello and welcome to Prism Prints, a channel dedicated to VR sculpting, 3D printing, and miniature painting. I'm Ben, and for this project, I'm making my take on a Gjall from the Mistlands of Valheim. Gjalls are these nasty blimp-like creatures that float around the thick fog and have the ability to shoot fireballs. They also carry ticks on their underside, which they hatch as another form of attack. You'll know one has spotted you when you hear a deep, ominous horn-like sound. I'm sure this was considered while making the Gjall sounds, but in Norse mythology, there is a horn called Gjallarhorn. It's said that Gjallarhorn would be, quote, heard in all worlds, and would signify the beginning of Ragnarok. Considering how big these things are and how hard they hit, it might feel like the end times when you first encounter one. The Gjall is a pretty iconic creature in Valheim, so I wanted to try pushing myself with the sculpt. I really wanted to make it seem like this huge creature was flying and not just propped up on a few legs. Since the weight of the body was a big concern, I hollowed it out and added supports afterward. I also created a cliff piece that a couple of legs could be glued to for stability. Last, I modeled a few ticks to complete the scene of the Gjall attacking. The project ended up being more than I had anticipated, but I'm really happy with the results. I hope you all like how this one turned out. If you do, and would like to support me, please leave a like, and subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate you checking this out. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one.